Tired of the 3DM game module DLL error happening during a loading screen? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's optimize your gaming environment and kill that pop-up for good. Before diving into the 3DM game module technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the 3DM game module, a Steamworks API emulator library associated with unofficial offline wrappers used to simulate Steam client responses. It intercepts calls such as Steam API init and emulates authentication flows. Because it mimics DRM behavior, antivirus engines frequently quarantine it, and its absence in those contexts can trigger errors such as Steam not found when launching modified builds. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. 3DM Game Module DLL is part of a game or graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX components, then update your GPU drivers if the file is hardware accelerated. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including 3DM Game Module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. It is important to avoid manual installation of 3DM Game Module DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If registry clutter or 3DM Game Module inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing 3DM Game Module from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.